Welcome students. Now I am going to explain about Unit 7 from Geography, exploring continents of Africa, Australia and Antarctica. Learning objectives: to study the geographical location of the continents of Africa, Australia and Antarctica, to learn the physical setting, climate and drainage of continents, to understand the nature of the flora and fauna of the continents, to identify the major resources and economic activities, to develop the mapping skills. Africa is called as a mother continent. Africa is nicknamed as the mother continent as it was the oldest inhabited continent on the earth. Africa is the second largest and second most populous continent Africa after Asia. It stretches from 37 degree 21 north latitude to 34 degree 51 south latitude and from 17 degree 33 west longitude to 51 degree 27 east longitude. It spreads over an area of about 30.36 million square kilometers. The equator passes through the middle of Africa and cuts into two equal halves. It is the only continent through which the major latitudes such as Tropic of Cancer, Equator and Tropic of Capricorn pass. Its north-south extent is 7,623 km and east-west extent is 7,260 km. The prime meridian passes this continent. Africa is located in all the four hemispheres. Africa consists of mixture of landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains. The following are the 8 major physical divisions of Africa: Sahara, Sahel, Savannah, the Great Rift Valley and the Great Lakes of Africa, East African Islands, Savali Coast, Congo Basin or Zaire Basin, Southern Africa. Southern Africa. Most part of the Southern Africa is a plateau region. Drakensberg mountain is found in the eastern portion of the escarpment. It extends from northeast to southwest for 1000 to 125 km. Its highest peak is Tabana, 3482 meters. This region is covered with grasslands known as veld. Kalahari Desert lies in the south and Namib Desert is along the southwest shore of Africa. Kalahari Desert in this region is not actually a desert but a bushy scrubland situated between the Orange and Zambezi River. Atlas Mountain lies in the northwest of Africa. It is a young-fold mountain. It separates the Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Ocean. Savanna grassland in Africa. Savanna grassland is found in the regions just north and south of the rainforest that lie along the equator. Trees are the main features of the landscape. In some parts of the savanna, while tall grass covers the other areas, the Serengeti plain is one of the largest plain in Savannah. This is called the open air zoo. Northwest African countries of Morocco, Algeria, Libya, Montenegro, and Tunisia are collectively called Maghreb, which means West in Arabic language. Nile is known as the father of African rivers. Reason is, River Nile is known as the father of African rivers. It is the largest river in the world with a length of 6,600. Physical divisions of Australia: the Great Western Plateau, Central Lowland, and the Eastern Island. Important rivers and economic activities of Africa, and climate and location and size of Australia. Australia contains second largest area of extremely arid land in the world. The Tropic of Capricorn divides the Australia into two equal parts. Northern half is in the warm tropical zone and the southern half is in the cool temperate zone. The north coastal region experiences the monsoon type of climate and there is a heavy rainfall during summer. The east coastal region receives good rainfall from southeast trade wind. The hot desert climate extends from central lowland to western shores. The rainfall in this region is less than 25 centimeters per annum. Mediterranean type of climate prevails in the southern tip of Australia, in the region around Perth and Adelaide. Throughout the year from westerly winds. Great Barrier Reef. Great Barrier Reef is located in the near east of Australia. It is formed by the tiny coral polyps. It is about 2,300 kilometers long. Artesian basin are regions on the Earth's surface where water gushes out like a fountain. It is found in the arid and semi-arid parts of Queensland. It extends for 1.7 million square kilometers. Political divisions of Australia. There is 6 states of 2 union territory in Australia. They are New South Wales, Queensland, South Australia, Tasmania, Victoria, Western Australia, Northern Territory, Capital Territory. Important cities of Australia: Canberra is the capital of Australia. Sydney, Brisbane, Adelaide, Hobart, Melbourne, Perth and Darwin are the other important cities of Australia. Ayers Rock, one of the natural wonders of Australia. Ayers Rock or Uluru is the largest monolith rock in the world. It is found in the central part of the Great Western Plateau region. It is 863 meters high above the sea level. The pointed limestone pillars called pinnacle are common in this region. The plants of trees in Australia are adapted by dry conditions. They can survive for a long period without water. They are called xerophytes. Mineral wealth of Australia. Minerals are the largest export items of Australia. It contributes about 10% of the country's GDP. Australia is the world's leading producer of bauxite, limestone, rutile and zircon. The second largest producer of gold, lead, lithium, manganese, ore and zinc. the third largest producer of iron ore and uranium, and they found largest producer of black coal. The coal belts of the country stretches from Newcastle to Sydney on the southeastern coast. Iron ores are found mainly in southern and western Australia. Petroleum and natural gas is obtained from Bass Strait and west of Brisbane. Uranium is mined in Northern Territory at Ramjungle and Queensland. Gold is mined in the Western Desert at Kalgoorlie and Kulgarli. Leach. Nature of Antarctica continent. Antarctica is a unique continent. It does not have native population. There is no country in Antarctica. It is the coldest continent with a permanent cover of ice. It is the only continent called white continent. The western Antarctica faces the Pacific Ocean. The Antarctica Peninsula, which points towards the South America, shows that it is continuation of Andes mountain range. Eastern Antarctica faces the Atlantic and Indian Oceans. The Mount Erciyes in this region is an active volcano located in the Ross Island. Scientists of any country are free to conduct experiments and collect data from Antarctica. Hence, it is called continent of science. Antarctica is the coldest continent in the world. It is located in the polar region. It has a permanent cover of ice. Antarctica is the only continent called the white continent. It has a permanent cover of ice. In some places, its ice cap is 4,000 meters deep. The International Agreement on the Continent of Antarctica does not permit the extraction of minerals. Hence, the extraction of minerals does not take place. Scientific studies show that Antarctica continent is to be rich in gold, platinum, nickel, copper and petroleum. Traces of chromium, lead, tin, uranium and zinc are also seen. The possible resources of this region also include silver, platinum, iron ore, cobalt, manganese and titanium. Coal and hydrocarbons have been explored in mineral non-commercial quantities. Flora and fauna of Antarctica. Since the temperature is below freezing point almost throughout the year, no major vegetation is found in this continent. Simple plants like algae, liverworts, lichens, fungi can survive and grow in Antarctica. Some algae live in the snow, while other plants grow on the coastal rocky lands, that is, ice free. A few species of plants such as plankton, algae, and mosses are seen in and around Antarctica's fresh and saltwater lakes. The blue whale is the largest animal which feeds on plankton. All these animals or birds have a thick layers of fat called blubber which helps them to withstand the cold conditions. Penguin bird in Antarctica cannot fly. They have webbed feet and flipper instead of wings. Small invertebrates are the only land animals which lives in the continent. Fauna of Australia. Australia has almost 400 mammal species and about 140 species of marsupials. These are the animals that carry their young ones in their pouch. Kangaroo is a national animal of Australia. Koala, platypus, wallaby, and dingo are the other important animals of Australia. The bird species like laughing gum, kookaburra, emu, and rainbow and lorikeet are the major birds of Australia. Animals of Africa. There are over 1 million species of animals in Africa, including both the heaviest elephants and the tallest giraffes, land animals on the earth. White rhinoceros, western green mamba, zebra, African elephants, gorilla, and giraffe are the major animals of Africa. Wild dogs, hyena, and lemur are the typical animals of Africa. Meanings: continent, a large landmass, strait, a narrow water channel which connects two large water bodies and separates two land masses. Isthmus, a narrow strip of land that connects two large land masses and separate two water bodies. Gulf, a deep inlet of the sea surrounded by a narrow mouth. Rift Valley, a linear shaped lowland between the mountains. Reef, a thin layer of calcium carbonate. Cataracts, a fast flowing waterfalls over a cliff. Pinnacles, pointed limestone pillars found in Australian desert. Wrecks, these are plains of sand and gravel in the arid region. Amada, elevated plateaus of rock and stones. Oases, a hub of water in the desert region.